Gerard Shields. I'm the Managing Director of Printpool. Printpool is an additive manufacturing service company. We manufacture parts and we design specifically for additive manufacture across a range of different industries. Being included in the Manufacturer Top 100 was a real highlight of last year. It was fantastic just to be nominated, but when I arrived at the event in Liverpool and saw all the other fantastic people who had been nominated as well, it was really something special. And I found out actually on the night that I was included in the exemplar category as well, which was really just the icing on the cake. I think the key attributes that led to my nomination are really around sort of determination and persistence. Printpool started in the middle of the pandemic, and because of my own history as a liver transplantee, I was actually in shielding through most of that time, which led to some really unique challenges, as well as all the other difficulties that most businesses have when they first start out. Right after I graduated from my degree, I got a fantastic job working for Lancaster University in their engineering department, and we were sort of on a project to go into small businesses and help develop some of the new and exciting products that they were perhaps struggling with, or they weren't quite sure where to go with. And I really found that really interesting actually, and really formative for the start of my career, and to sort of see some of the problems that companies that are already quite established are having, particularly around product development. I was also able to get my hands on a lot of additive manufacturing equipment in that role, which is used for prototyping and for doing some of the early stage development work on those projects, which was also very inspirational at the time. Biggest challenge, also sort of the biggest opportunity, and that was actually starting Printpool. As an engineer, I'm quite good at the technical side of things. I'm very comfortable in setting up a facility and making sure that everything is technically very well optimized. But that's only quite a small part of what you need to be able to do as an MD and as a business owner in general. So things like sales and marketing, writing copy, all these things that perhaps don't come quite so naturally to the average engineer, they were the real challenge areas that I had to work on quite a lot. But it was also a brilliant opportunity because I've become a much better and a more well-rounded engineer and just person as a result of that.